The advisement man, Bulldog, said, I think I watched the program a bit too. After the whole thing, I tried to watch the program.
Again.
Celebrities know how we are before.
Really?
When you're more delay, I'm going to set you up. We should have this culture that has always helped us. That paying you paying to be your paying. If you're a father, you can't insult your father. Why do you insult the president? Freedom of speech does not mean insulting the president. A lot of people just insult our leaders and go away.
Like, making some comments. I don't think.
If you set him up, I'm sorry. If you set him up.
Really?
He did. I mean, I didn't want to say it, but it's true.
Aha too much age ekes kapa medina ebra edruso Ghana wahala jumedie na wonim se yeji eja esida na chese mo amunim se ensem a edi se ye kan ye pene pomasibre eno ene ye boaboa no ede ebebe piemu ewo maboboa no ema won so so awo fie wo edwaman so wosi wetimi de wadwentwa wo fa ensem yi ho ababetu eye eja ede ama ntina dane da ye kache mo se too much there we are your number one loyal incredible channel na ebusuan from ne de ensem no edoso yie pande hu be hia so bewe waso na watie eye emu ensem se ne ebe ya adwentwe no susu no ebetimi aba wano na sofo anase ye papa Bishop Salifu Amwakon wode nkonhye bi ebebetu edwa efa Captain Smart ye nua bema na ye papa wo ye adwuma ewo Angel FM or the nkomhye bi efa no ma ye de bebeso mu wo ka se April bosumi no emu no nkrofo bi ayabo wo mo epa wo mo ye enan achese wo mo ye muslimifo wo beto ahye ye nua be mayi eso na ye papa yi eso achese this time around wo mfa ne ho to said de nkrofo ba ne fie bebe wi ana wo mo ja note edit ho no enye sa na beko no this time around no de wo mo be boni tuo makomako 30 amachese wo de be free atasefo asasi eso na ye papa yi ete prophecy ya ha obi obeye no wa kaka bensem se nyaade se bibisa ebesi no nkoneba na eno enadi ni wo no ebreba na wo bompa ye se wo no de wo twam wankase wo gina Yesu dim emu kase wo twam ni video ni nyina ye de esum na eno na ama ye ni abema ye papa Captain Smart wa babonten ewo ani breso abufo mu bibia mu esanse wo hu ni se enkom shefa owo hu no ye adults na say ade achi asay ye like odwen ho awonte ye ase eno nti waba ede nsem bi abetu edwa na nensem kaye no mu no na dodo na ho ne se wanfe ni die ama sofopanya wode nsem no betu abonten the fact say bia waka bibi na ankoye amfa ma okra na wo mo gina wachi ka se ye nyame nipa na no so no like wanfa ni die ama se yeah reverend and say bishop also so called whatever you call yourself say statement na wo make ye no eno na dodo na say enya ne kwan so a eno no say wo kasa sa na emo say wugidi say wu ewo akwan bia eso a eno de utimi ba abonten ebebeka say enya de so obewu bai how a kan no enya ne kwan so eno no na ebusuan form moma yanko share Captain Smart ne response no na ye ne yan papa apostle Walter Sakwa Mante awoda Faith Army Chapel International ano emetwetwen enkomo
you and decrease stop in your life.
Definition we say you know for the whole
fear is an emotional fear. Look, listen, I am a professor samai the samai and I'm a who samai who be a I didn't know be a part of your system. That's the walk. I don't know, sorry, I'm quite as a software be saying, me, a bomb to 30. We are yeah. I am not afraid to die. And listen to me, Reverend Bishop, Pastor, or whatsoever you call yourself.
We do respect.
With nothing respect, let me tell you, point blank, that if I die now, it is not your prophecy. Listen, I am not a child. Wall around you and decrease stop in your life.
Definition when say you soon for the whole.
Fear is an emotional fear. Look, listen. I am a professor of Samai, the Samai, and I'm a who Samai who will be a I didn't know not be a part of your system. That's the walk. I don't know, sorry, I'm quite a soft will be saying, may you be bomb to a 30 we are. Yeah. I am not afraid to die. And listen to me, Reverend Bishop, Pastor, or whatsoever you call yourself.
We do respect.
With nothing respect, let me tell you, point blank, that if I die now, it is not your prophecy. Listen, I am not a child. For any spiritual amateur to prophesy about my life. No, you are not God. Listen, let me tell you something. When somebody tells you you are going to die, my God, look into the eyes of that person and tell me you will die before me.
You die before me. Listen,
this whole month, you need to take fear out of your life.
Listen,
you got to take fear out of your life. Be strong and courageous. Huh? Pentecost, man, be strong and courageous. Yes. Man, be strong and courageous. We would have been be strong and courageous.
Wait, I say wa show video no wahunu response yen papa na yen nua bema Captain Smart wo de aba abonten enti ene ye papa nso e wa han apostle yen kwankwaje na dwentre efa ensem no se prophecy no na ankoyie ana se ne response no na ankoyie wonfa emetu edwa efa emayen apostle memo akwaba
yeah na
bibi abokode
nya don't bibi ayefa
ye de rade ase na apostle what ye papa ana Bishop Salifu Amakone prophecy wode ema ye nua bema na yen papa Captain Smart ama enunti ene day Captain Smart ebuafu we libre so awaba abonten aba be retaliate and awaba responding to your prophecies no me pese me hu say prophet Salifu Amakon kan wo kan asem no na a trigger anu ana say what said what can or put prophecy in the encampment so be any who.
First of all, me chair it for me now.
Okay.
Sa owo prophecies don ya do so kakra.
Okay.
And yes say ye gindi we gina
ye gidi
say obetumi aho owo be about somebody now one come oneself. Except say a very necessary now as we ma wo na abon by for the person.
Okay.
Me gidi say owo prophecies no. Bible ma the Bible say Isaiah Ezekiel so be but all cannot now be anyhow. It was between the two of them.
Okay.
And it is a certain level of within a certain context of quietness.
Okay.
And as I'm saying, you know. And to me feel say a cancer comes and open, you know. A creative fear instead of faith.
Okay.
The Bible can say prophetic office no is for edification.
Okay.
And fear is not the spirit of God, from the spirit of God. And as much as possible, no. So when more be prophecy about death, we should come with a little sense of death. Now, I mean,
okay.
And yes, we don't know about it, and answer and TB and answer who be sad.
Okay.
I mean, I'll give myself as an example. I was able to hear and understand the voice of God through through say for death, death issues.
Okay.
Because I can't remember saying me young, no. I got a prophet gift very, very young, 13, 14, 15 years.
Oh, really?
Now, to meet
okay.
And so I can tell me to meet things say we be And to be happy for a while. I didn't know the voice of God very clearly.
Okay.
So we happy for a while. And the last one, I don't know who said, wait, they were divorced. And the final one, I don't know who said, this is the voice of God. So I got to learn the voice of God through death prophecies.
Okay.
And God speaks to us when people are going to die sometimes.
Okay.
And if you are a man of God of a certain kind, about to meet tears at the end. But sometimes, help come. I was sending information. I don't know. It is not ethical, prophetical. It's not part of the. It's not ethical. With all due respect, I'm telling you.
Okay.
It's not ethical. And yet, no. Because the person can sue you in court. Like you are
putting fear.
You are putting fear.
Okay.
In the person, and there have been stories about prophecies of death have been given to people.
Okay.
My direction. And this nation must come and have a certain sense of decorum.
Okay.
Then get a certain sense of sanity. The gift is very important. I love the gifting. I love the move of God. But what I don't like is the excesses of the move of God. Now, don't say something to me, yes, sir. I'm sorry to say that. And Captain Smart is right to say what, in some sense, what he's saying.
Okay.
But I would have thought that wouldn't be the first thing to say. Michelle come about Ebony.
Sure.
I didn't mention her name.
Okay.
I said a one dancehall artist.
Okay.
They are not produced because I didn't see her to tell her. So I didn't tell and mention the person's name.
Okay.
Wrong. So if it's in the church, also say, spirit of death, then we can mention and pray. But who's sending message now? Equity, fear, and panic. And that's not what we have to encourage. And for the office to be understood, we feel said we need to come to a place of decorum.
Okay.
Now you're bringing some level of system. We might raise a lot of prophets.
Okay.
And some of this is will happen in the system. But with time, we are correcting some of those errors. You don't throw prophets say, President, it shouldn't be something that we should be saying often.
Okay.
It's all kind of in such a way, it doesn't bring fear and panic to the person.
Okay.
But the fact is this, that you need to be revealing, now you're very important.
Okay.
So revelation about Mount Fandiago. But I would have loved to say, just go and look for Captain Smart.
Okay.
You could have said that to somebody in the media space.
Sure.
However, there are few exceptions.
Okay.
The few exceptions, they said, yeah, ready person change it to me. And there are few exceptions. But generally, it's not encouraged.
Okay, now Apostle Metiwasi ya say nyame yi cho na wo ma wuhu nipa kro ne de anka ebe ya ne papa mu asofo no de tu anamon ekohwehwe nipa no na waka ache no.
Yeah, there's a way to find out. That's also there are exceptions, but most of the time I hear too common. I say we don't even know the exception. You don't do the exception dimension or anymore.
Okay.
Just say it open, call and pray. I want to prove a point.
Okay.
God lies open contest. The Bible says he openly destroyed principalities and power, not closely. Sometimes we are there, that is why the worshippers of Baal, the Baal worshipper was there. And Elijah said, if God be God, worship him. If Baal be Baal, worship him. It's different.
Okay.
But most of the time, I hear too common. We 3 days time. And see, let's look at drawing the line between when God wants it to be an exception, but it shouldn't be the norm.
Now, okay, Apostle, say, Papa Salu for Macon, or say like, said the worker no, and any quince or bony din, or bedjemu, and as any quince or can will pay temus, and when you can be. How are Captain Smart retaliating and our reacted to it? Was it right for?
And you're before me that
fear mo but also kasa say any kwan say like
it's just he's reacting to it and he has the right to do it.
He has the right.
Because can you imagine say you used to do it 30 times? It's easy.
Sure.
What I say, and it's one too many. You know what I mean?
Okay.
The Bible says, Proverbs 18:21, life and death is in the power of the tongue.
Sure.
And the ABI said, and your prophecy, I'm telling you, you have to be very careful. But I recommend, say, my injustice out there, it's too much.
As in the prophecy side.
Open death. Okay, said there was a time ago I saw that somebody prophesied about Shatawale.
Sure.
And honestly, before year, or can say, no dear. From that time, also be
Shatawale Nkombi. Okay, Apostle, yeah, Professor Alifu Amwakun. So many times I hear who say Captain Smart. Wa hosting woni program so epen ya wo ma twetwe nkomo ye hwe about we nkomsha na ebe nyina no woni ye Professor Alifu Amwakwan na etie fidie so omo ka won sema na ono so o gege ehum recently krampo wo hye nkombi anase wo hu ani so de hu bi fa ne ho se wo bi pese won tu na du won adwuma mu ma ne driver bebe confirm ye ni nyina enti se obi aka asem e de afa wo hu na nipa no unyim na wa ben wo pen a se ubuafu anase ehu krampo na ode ato so a e se wo susu radio so na wo susu wo memegina enso broadcast anase won kire wo susu utumi a wo a wo betimi dia say ne prophecy a wo kan asin se yemfa se papa se minimu yi na waka bibi wan kan kire me odo na matia e se me susu me ngina fidie kase so na me susu me blaster o se de oye ye na because of say we went me amba me na say am. Okay.
Video what you had some of them now what it said. That was why your video. Now you'll be 90. That culture is gone. The culture, there's a certain, if you're not careful, you're not going to have leadership in this country.
Okay.
Or beyond. The culture where you have some respect for somebody, now be over cancer, be careful. No. Agile. Everybody can pick a phone. Everybody, because once you press your phone, video, you're on Facebook, firing. And to start approaching, send your fire. I don't know so far.
Fun.
Because I thought, say, life is about seed and harvest.
Okay.
He sowed the wrong seed. I didn't think that I was saying all kind of open, so I'm not pretty fear.
Okay.
And if you assess Captain Smart, the temperament enters.
Okay.
The temperament enters. I know he's a vocal person.
Sure.
And so, apparently he'll come out like that. But the advice I will give him, say, man, I'm taking it for granted.
Man, take it prophecy. Okay.
For granted. And no party. Men take it for granted. Reaction, who acrobatics, men take it for granted.
Now, say the workers a man in taking it for granted. No one in Casa yen what it to just say. So, Obi can be extra wa. Oh, man, a show with Trimon. I say, oh, the shower Juma and a year Juma. Into one, no, not as a prophecy. One function I Juma.
Or no, a journalist. Or just suffer. What does he know about? I mean, he can know some. But spiritual things are very sensitive. Me humble, Macabia man. I can't say what I need. But
sure.
On a more serious note, they shouldn't take it for granted.
Okay.
Mount Diagono, I say, oh, we do it. And yes, spirit of death, what we did Diago, I probably do.
And someone is out show with him, one fan show with him.
My name is Safo. But I said, the problem is not the prophecy.
Okay.
The problem is the presentation and the ethics behind it.
Okay.
But someone who said we were, and then so I take it serious. And then they make me a catcher. So the problem is not the prophecy.
Okay.
The problem is presentation. You know, it's not what to me presented by heart. I'm sorry. But my friend said, you shouldn't have said it in over. So now a program, outside the same program, and they've had discussions before. My humble opinion, he said, they didn't have his contact.
Sure.
Then they can say, okay, somebody, except God wants to prove his power.
Okay.
Because God likes publicity, whether you like it or not.
Really?
Yeah. That's what I said. He openly destroyed principalities and powers, openly making a public show of them.
Okay.
Colossians 2 verse 15.
Okay. Sure.
So God likes publicity. God likes opening. God, let me tell you, sometimes the reason why God will bless somebody is because he wants everybody to see. Yeah.
Now, Apostle, I didn't know Banner says, ye shan come and say you who be say, ye DNA, won't call badia, ye per se, nipa no a one can be and say, and echo by a ban woo, bano say a quenchiani, a yidia, no the young person ye bitty.
Only the thing with prophecy is that God reveals, but after God has revealed, let me have one passes.
Okay.
And I say, be a prophetic act, be an answer, direction, be a but me about by now they very important. The main penny say, I didn't even see her if you're beyond who here and the air very painful. What I said, and even when people are seeing and saying, Meaning, I saw you cry at home. Cases say, prophet about the cancer, woo, or home by Paponaco, if you are to now, a very, very painful. So, I'm of the opinion, said, most of the time, the word of prophecy should come. However, my worry, they said, I was very careful with the way we package prophecy. Otherwise, it's going to bring fear instead of faith.
Okay.
When you say about answer what person?
Yeah. But like me person me who say, oh prophesy about good thing now. At times you don't see it manifesting. But the moment I prophesy about bad things, say accident besi owo beba, that moment within the space of maybe a weeks, months, na adienesi. Because of say nyame aya na wo share enkom and that's what the prophecy ni ba na a good one on person beba into reality ana.
Yes, why research? To be able to prove that, you should have a certain sample size. If you have 1/400, now I check it say, a good prophecy, good prophecy is also
but once and
bad news sells.
Okay.
Bad news has a way of selling.
Okay.
Say bad, but good news. Mommy can't accept you. I don't know, be bad. See, Daddy, the Pejuma. And I'm saying, and you're not bad at that time now. Upon pass you here, Juma, and you buy my I see you, and you want to buy. And I mean, she said, you try me fine, you have promotion, you are fine. And I say, I don't know. I see one who said first one to buy, or one second one.
Okay.
One
thank you. Say bia obon paye man no wanya.
They are sharing who obianti. Or any miracle.
Okay.
What I said. Anti miracles be see ah.
Esi by just say nipa ne meka.
Amonka. Okay, be better. Thank you, see the answers. See, now say no, and I say thank you offering, and I say this are. They hide it. A lot of people hide it.
Oh, okay.
Until I am home. But people also who are very, sincere, they will tell you the breakthrough came.
Okay. Okay.
From my small experience.
Okay.
And you see a lot of good things happening to people.
Na apostle, yembra nua bema anidin de Lawrence Nana Esiamwa Hansen adodo na nim ni se bulldog. Na nsɛn ntem ne ho nsɛnsɛm ana kyɛ sɛ circulate wo baabia ɛnam kasa wo kokɔ kan ye ɔze ya no kasa ya wanhwe ne ya de oto asɛm wanhwe ne yesu so a de enioma so na ebrom na no kasa wo kokɔ kan ye wo United show business so a ye nua ba na mama gba ono na ye host with wone nkrofo a wo mu ni wo mkohia ye na ye se misunderstand na say agreement na ekọ eye eso e ma ne kansen bi de fa men's gold for ehun enu nti no ono so ye victim of it and sika kwa kem enti wo kasa no make some statement bi say ye man panyin his excellency na dodankwa Akufo-Addo we metua men's gold for esika mfa mo anya de se ni 4 years no obetimi atwa na eno na che say ama there so many issues abama police for BN9 no one sensem ababeto eye abonten na wo hwe ne nsem na wo kan ye na mfunso bi ewo ho because do na hu ne say we dey eye normal because politicians no kwa etna radio so etna TV so live telecast so e kan sama e chain say edit yampeni for ye hwe former president John Dramani Mahama ene ye mampanyi na Nadankwa Akufo-Addo cramport akunya so engofo kan sama e chain sa as in politicians no e kan some a chance but kokko say timamuni ekoko kan the same thing na ya find in a different way round enti wo hwa na asem na wo kan no emfunso bi wo ho ana say emfunso bi ani ho.
First of all, my main concern
okay
celebrities omo hu nyam so nyam yo. First of all, it's also nyam because sometimes when everything is going well, you take things for granted.
Okay.
And the advice my man Bulldog said, I think I watched the program a bit too. After the whole thing, I tried to watch the program.
Again.
Celebrities know we before.
Really?
When you're more dealer, I'm going to set you up.
As in one man no more share for a program and
say some of the people that you are hosted together.
Okay.
Even what you before.
Okay.
Some of them are operating serious witchcraft. And that advice, everybody must be prayerful. And I feel, sir, something went wrong spiritually for him.
Hey, they say you do spiritual realm.
I mean, can't tell. Something went on spiritually for him. He was set up in the spirit for him to enter there.
Okay.
That's it. So you're very careful. Celebrities go one way before only I promise you. I don't. It's unethical to mention names.
Sure.
But they can go to a church, destroy the place. They can go to a studio, destroy the place. On our agenda. Who wants celebrity but I'm here before? I'm telling you, they'll preach witchcraft. So when they won't say, sister, your walk or your way. But some of them are witches. I'm sorry for him. It's a spiritual setup. I don't think that he would have liked to enter into it. He was set up spiritually. That's it. They came to just do that to him. And so you're very prayerful. I'm sorry for him. What I say, but if you look at what he said himself, I would have thought, saying I'll call in two wrongs don't make it right.
Sure.
The fact that another politician, I can't. And there's a fact. You can see people saying all kinds of things.
Mm-hmm.
The fact that another politician, I can't, doesn't mean say also because we have to set the right precedence. Everybody wakes up. Now share Facebook and as a social media.
Yeah.
A lot of people just insult our leaders and go away. I don't say any fine. The other kind, it's not just an insult. It's a verbal abuse.
Sure.
But this is a own way for it. It was quite a bit too extreme. And you guys saw a better norm. If you are not person, we want to make a norm, sir. But me feel say I watch your holiday. Meaning say you know.
Yeah, you know, you're bailing no.
Yeah, bailing no.
70,000.
70,000. So if you are customer one can you say, oh, such a figure, our managing artist to that level.
Yeah.
No? So you're conscious that you just have to watch your back.
Okay.
But I think he was set up. Within the context of Amusho program, no? he was set up to do that.
That's your opinion. Like you are thinking.
Oh, it's obvious. I can't say I'm not kind. Or kind of buffo.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Some of the celebrities are witches.
Now, Apostle, share one about Kennedy Japan Crampuna. Or making some threatening allegations be against former President John Dramani Mahama. Bra womu Jashishian start say with Cantamantone de Kekahuno. Or making allegations be brave. Editia one more near Sidun Ketia, General Secretary ne de Kekahu. And so enya de say approach for a coco so in Musa or their kind. We are like Yehodu. Sabe trowa no asema na die nti anabota ye nti a wode kan sa asem no ni nyina threat na bia o nti eba ne say na eba no politicians any citizens asa emma no favor bi ejebi ana wonhu ne sa
we share politicians in there we are politics.
Okay.
And a lot of things favors politicians in Africa, in Ghana, you know. I think that you say Rakakra who understand our democracy. And I like what happened during the voting date. The voice of the people have been heard clearly.
Mm-hmm.
And we are determining what should happen in Parliament. You know, the politicians should respect, and the rule of law should respect the citizens as equal as the politicians. But coming to Kennedy Japan, don't forget the case in court. There's a case of contempt in court.
Sure.
And it's ongoing. If the case is not ended, let's leave it for us to finish the case. Because no judge has judged the case.
Yeah.
It's also an equal case of contempt. You ensure senior judges no handle our case and leave the discretion for the judges to do that. But
Apostle, didn't say me busa say one say Bible rules and yame to honum. I say Christo ni break that rules na. Nyame twena so saa na sofo nso so break that rules na nyame twena so ba na say amamuo mu na rules na favor once nyame rules in favor will be njabi enti eba na say na ye nipa de etimi ye rules say ye bi dia favor ebi ye bia ebetimi akon de etie bia no ntina like me busa
that yeah, say about the rules no you contempt over court. Okay. I don't know whether it's Siamas, but he was caught, but I'm sure probably maybe they'll process the thing to court. So it's the same procedure. You go to court if we see that the thing you said is contemptuous, the courts will deal with it. So it is early days yet. Then we can find out whether justice has been provided in both cases. But in any case, Kennedy Japan has been taken to court. Let's see what the court ruling is like.
Okay.
So academic.
Okay. Apostle, yeshe bulldog ye nwa da chese womu eyi no edi free one mo a wom ko court chese or asking for bail. Ni lawyers for asking for bail no. Ya man on 70,000 Ghana cedis bill with a year 3 sureties or what's a woman public servant. Dudu na won say too much. Say yeah court e demand such an amount they free. Yenua bema no ana say ye bulldog honum outside no so say na wo.
I think that discretionary bill no, there's a bill condition to everybody.
Okay.
There's a bill condition to everybody. Everybody has a bill condition. And to whether you like it or not, every bill has a condition. That's a discretion of a judge. Meaning say that's a law in many cases. What I said.
Okay.
And to me feel say I don't know discretionally no. That's a prerogative of the lawyers. I don't think it's too hard. Probably people have gone through worse, but because he's popular, they will see he is, and there'll be a lot of story around it. And really, I mean, it's been done. Holmes said he learned lessons from it. Sinebea, he will not be contemptuous. He will not speak anyhow to the appropriate authorities, which you have to learn. So paying.
Okay.
Let's review our culture kakra. Ghana for America for. That's it.
Okay. Now Apostle, ye share with the issue na ama yem papa or ye lawyer Morris Ampao wababa bekasa de afa bulldog issue ne hu ne say because of say obia enam say wo kebima menkebi obia etimi exercising the right otimi kasa freedom of speech enu nti na ma enkofo ka de enu kwan say wo mo eka enti wosusu say ba ne say obia obi eye program say bianca ya fra so for be mienu miensa ne bia ye no wo mo eye interview at least yeah law practitioner ba ko entinem said the be ya wo bi ka bibi na etia emma wo betimi aprompt no said the be ya emma sanyoma we enkoso menkofo ho enkokoka edwem lawyer asema wa de kan no wona ya adwo
lawyer very controversial. Very controversial, but make answer.
Okay.
I feel charity begins at home.
Okay.
We should have this culture that has always helped us. That paying to me you paying. I also don't know. And American say I made that statement. Say paying will be channel paying. Where are we heading towards? If we insult grown-ups, if your father, you can't insult your father, why do you insult the president? It's a culture. I mean, I bet you want to. I know there. What's your say?
Okay.
Let's bring. You can comment. You can pass. You can make your statements. Right. So that when we are presenting issues to politicians, let's do it with decorum.
Okay.
And when you have to express your opinion. Freedom of speech does not mean insulting the president. Let's define it well. Then you're fine. Say another party should buy a mama, but obey you. And I say, we should buy it. What is wrong is wrong. Whoever happens. I'm very sad. Say it's happening more too often these days. Some of those things are reduced. We don't. It doesn't have to take the police to come and it's not good. And you're fine. It doesn't speak well. Yes. And to insult there.
Okay.
And we should begin it because we don't need a lawyer to come and sit in the panel before we know as young people.
Okay.
Or you're paying. That's it.
But I say for baby as an nkasa ye mu ni say ye no kwanso because e bia wa dream ba wo ho so at least I think say na ye lawyer practitioner be etse honum that moment na enka ebe betimi prompting all those say features nigga prompting no say there wo ye no onim say what threaten.
I didn't see a feature prompting
like make some comments say don't you think
if you set him up. I'm sorry if you set him up.
Really?
He did. I mean, I didn't want to say it, but it's true. And he was happy about it.
So all you think was as a setup by the lady.
She could have. I don't know. Yeah, I see. Because you see, this is money.
Okay.
And this came, And why a bit emotional.
Sure.
And when somebody becomes angry, it's called emotional momentary madness.
Okay.
About them at that point in time.
Okay.
And he cannot think right. And I felt said when she was pushing it, Uncle Yedianka, you have saved.
Okay.
And then you are texting the press. You know, I didn't think said as celebrities that would have been the best way to go about it. And you should work as a team because the celebrities, they need one another.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Sure.
I mean, they entertain us, they make us happy.
Sure.
I would have felt, say, you know, something, all of them, they didn't do well. And I saw Mark Brown asking him to, about retracting, I also want to retract you. Or can't say, of course, a president, I don't know what happened now. You're not doing free. So, but there and then, he should have said that I retract the statement I made and I apologize.
Okay.
I said it in that. That would have made it things fine. And to be frank with you, there's a lot of issues to be speaking about there. There's the need for training.
Okay.
And Mark Brown is doing well by me, like he's celebrating. Get trained.
Okay.
Proper host.
Okay.
A note can be production.
Okay.
Or go and do some of your production. When you advert kakra, actual notes.
Actual notes, sure.
You didn't retract well.
Lawyer make that statement in say no cramp point na we say enka ni kwan say bulldog nkwa na wo mo ebebe fa nka na Mark Brown e na ebiem so ye Father Dexon mu nyina nka wo mo.
Yeah. So at that point in time you retract because he's part of the program. It makes the program interesting. Sure. I didn't think that he meant what he said. He couldn't have done it. You understand? So that aspect of it. But you see, if we don't correct it, it will become the norm. Wait, no, I'll be a partner. President Suye Lipo. Even if
I know you refuse aspect say also nipa na apostle dodo na enso so apart from say like and then one my different dimension one my say your home workings but na dodo na nim say your home workings na yeah comments na free Twitter eba na dodo na hu say e bia ye NDC fo no e na man ne ekokoka yes because of yeah presenter Bridget Otu e ko make comment be say #free bulldog now na chese trending na wo mu susu say na say Bridget or yeah NDC ninti no nunti na
we want to make politics out of everything. I know opinion is bulldog is a men's school.
Sure.
What he needs is his money. He's emotional about it. Money is a some way. To me now you're emotional. Why lose his car so much? Of he said things should have gone. You see when people and the men's goal issue is a very sensitive issue. Go to the mechanic.
Sure.
And why are hurt, why are emotionally devastated. It's unfortunate that we are back. But all of a sudden, my mystery, apart from putting him here, teaching him some lesson, they should look for some money for him. I want to advise.
Some money for him. Say, Apostle, you didn't mean because one one year didn't see man because it's for the brain.
But it's kind of manner. We can't something to tone him down small.
Tone him. Now say, Obi also Baba want say you're toning it down.
Human. I know they said he won't come and say a man is baby.
Okay. I'm
just saying in general, said he's gone through a lot, and so is everybody.
Everybody, okay.
The men's gold issue. It's a very sensitive issue. People's investment.
But Apostle, some men's gold issue, no. Say, Sikano say, and ya they say, ba, a buying a one. And say, I buy the whistle won't you assess
it's not the government to pay. You have done investment in another company. Why should government pay?
And I didn't think that you're buying so.
When they were warning you that this is a very sensitive, but see, I was listening to, and when they were doing the program, they were mentioning Bank of Ghana and Fiat. Sure. Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana hasn't got direct supervision over that institution. It's SEC, Security and Exchange Commission. They are in charge. Headed by Reverend Obamite. They are in charge of, that responsibility. And another one, they always see China be cheese something. They are also coming. They are warning people not to go. And I don't know whether they don't have the locals to close down the unausterity. Maybe they don't have the locals to close down immediately. I don't understand what laws govern some of those institutions. And you can take it from face value, said they should have done something. But there's a law that governs what pertains. Some of those companies. Do they have the right to say they have closed down?
Okay.
Okay, immediately, or they need other things to be able to be sure. No, you can't. You're not too sure. I'm naive on that.
Okay.
But what should happen is that SCC should be able to quickly respond to some of these things. Anyway, it doesn't escalate and save people. That was Bulldog's opinion. Why don't they act quick?
Quick. Okay. Okay.
And close it? And then they are paid taxes.
For the government.
They are paid taxes.
Sure.
Almost to tax.
Revenues.
Government IG revenues are out of this. Then all of a sudden you come and close them down. You know. But it is not the duty of government to pay you, because you didn't invest with government. You invested with Men's Go. I mean, why do we? I don't understand. You see, everything has become politics.
Sure.
And we are too free-minded. And that's how. It's not consistent with financial laws. It doesn't happen like that. Everything free. Some of the things we do in Ghana, it's not law. It's not finance. It's not universal.
But yes, so we do.
We do. Buka. It costs
Apostle, say free, Bulldog ni issue ne nsensem no so for penya Kumase Potemo dia wagidin pan kran hanso so no ne din no pepiu kopiem wotemanso so de nkofo enim no na ene dey wode nsem bia ba beto edwa ache so hu ne se Ghana fo ebe kai no mre bi pan ebe ba ache se ne so de yenya bi wo mayimu woni size e wo mayimu eba na asofu dwuma mu a je se wo bia ntimi nto no esan se wo no wanya ne awufuo pen wono watimi aye de asofu bi enyeye enu nti no ohun ne se obi ani ni enjina bie baako anase obi antimi meme jina that level a che se ohun ne ho se anase wodi tudwa se wono de woda asofo ni mu nyina asonkom na ye papa America ne ho asemi wo ye angel osaka ho anya mebofo pro ye Bishop Daniel Obinima woda International Gospel Church anom na nense mo de atudwa na hu behia se mebo ne tofa mekenkan ede ama eye etiefo na wo mo etie bi wo se I will forever be remembered by Ghanaians. I stand as one of the greatest, and I have no size in the country. I have been able to rise the dead among many other miraculous and angelic works. My Father Jesus Christ loves me. God have blessed me as I have served him from a humble beginning. We enen nsema wodi etu eye eja. Na apostle said the Bishop Daniel Obini din nsema tudwe. Eye ne kwanso ano no say obetimi aka say nyamedwuma mu no uni obi eniti pen like uni size ewo eye emu.
So for Daniel Obini there, so they know here that. Just static-craft while you can't and say I mean take it serious.
Really?
Oh yes, really. I mean, some of the things that he does, some biblical. For example, so in free Bible man, any on free.
Okay.
Because Bible is a blueprint. It's a blueprint. I know there. You ain't tell a man of God, right? And the man of God no class, so that can't be and it's
also can in a different role.
You can't tell straight.
Or can I also can
not see man of God.
Hey.
Look to a man of God. I mean, never be a man of God.
Apostle.
Are you representing God on earth?
Apostle, that will make you comments beside yeah, you don't have to judge your fellow pastor say bia won free nyame anase say but some also work say one man of God now said they also what go into that scale one more discriminating say we free nyame
discriminating.
Okay.
But I have to inform the public.
Okay.
I don't have to misinform the public.
Okay.
So the Bible says that by their fruits you shall
know them.
Yeah. I'm being modest in my choice of language. I can go extreme. Require modesty.
Modesty for me.
You see, me be an old Christian.
Okay.
Me free scripture union and I'm a buy and I'm a gift. I'm seeing the dynamics of the ministry changing. Jesus Christ nature no a free assuring no.
Okay.
And Jesus is the head of the church. And if it is not like, consistent with Jesus actually, who from Jesus Christ, but you also when you know, and it is something.
Okay.
So what for Jesus Christ? I feel lifestyle is different from the nature
of Christ. Okay.
And I mean, I have a problem with that, but I like him. It's a human being. God
say how more plus one movie. I must say I like him. Now what they are
created in the image of God. He's a loving human being. I don't have a problem with that.
Okay.
But I pray that Christ will be formed. You see, my main concept, every time you say Jesus a form or more year,
okay.
Only time for publicity now. Only that time. When Jesus is fully formed in him, you're born again. Yeah. Born again.
Born again. So yeah. Apostle.
If anyone is in Christ, 2 Corinthians 5:17 is a new creation. Behold, all things have passed away and everything can new. Very surprising. Because if you ask you what I know what I'm saying. Born again, power. I saw for no be brave and you're born again.
And from where you so for?
Oh, yeah.
Now, bet me I so far and you're born again and you bet me a from Wakasa.
Only say, bet me a friend and you mean
really?
Yeah. What I said me a friend when I said me a friend me. And you mean a friend.
Say the panel what no into two and because taka say will be friend in Yamina will be in Naho.
Demons suit to me casa.
Sure.
We sure say demon in our casa can say me a friend. And I demon.
I know they ain't me say a demon.
And to me, but I'm saying sir, we have to be careful. You understand? We have to be careful. You see, if you want me to believe that Christ, you are working with Christ, just be like Jesus.
Okay.
Now, you see, I mean, it's a concept. There's an opinion about a suffer normal country. I see, I suffer with normal country, you know, and if you buy yes, I'm not basing on that. I'm basing on the character and the nature of Christ formed in us.
In us, okay.
Once we preach so many years, and we say, me hear Jesus be. Yeah.
How?
Mommy said, Ghana suffer. A two number. Shaka crab. Wait for me. Now I salad. Me to me, I salad. Now my family back. Now my the next time, say, oh, take care of them. Now I salad. Now you train me. Now my family now come. Oh, just you had not tell man of God. I didn't frame me. My meat stance and not share. Said, this is not how I want it to be.
Okay.
I want you to form the nature of Christ in you. And I'm a society.
Okay. Okay.
And I suffer being also Ghana, you preach Christ.
Sure.
The philosophy, the prophecy, no go up. Well, yeah, na we na obia pe we na ayebasa.
Na apostle said the war casting and one nyame ya wo ni say one born again. Na obi a one born again na so ye hwe na nsori a wo akra bebre. Does it mean say akra no wo mo yira na?
Akra no de. Akra no de wetimi anya akra. Ne be wetimi anya akra.
But like me person me say akra no omo wo gina bia papa bi, omo wo fapem papa bi.
I know a very important question. Let me answer it this way.
Okay.
The members should look for the Christ in the Bible and try to see the same Christ in the Bible in their pastor. That's advice I'll give them. I'll answer with an advice.
Na kwan ben no mudi be hunu.
So let's look at the Bible and know how Jesus behaved. And try to see the Jesus in him.
Say
if yes, you can't find the Jesus in him.
Yes, why are miracles so or than in so nsa into a kwa so na say so for so miracles. I better say yes.
And one say miracles. Oh, and one say miracles. And so for some of the pastors, okay. Some of the program, some of them be pretend as if they are lame, but Chiasikana, our dada, when I say on your lame, and I said blind, or part say blind, on your blind person.
Sure.
You know, all kinds of things. Prophecies now, you're confirming that in Nemo, there's nothing like that happening to people. If you are not Kojiska or so for we have some of those instances happening because people want to justify the fact that they are from God through the miracles. No,
okay.
I know them, and not through the miracles.
Okay. Not just say any kwan say a strength and chinene a wo mo eye no nemum nipa no nsu a wodan de dia ba wo so
a bet to me a dribble
deceive you. Okay.
It's very deceptive.
Okay. Now talking about angelic works. Obi a we sofo ana we nyame anamusini angelic works is it your duty and I say ade e wo someone na mo ya na ya bofo adwuma.
I said your friend angel no me can't say so.
Okay.
I'll tell my experience.
Okay.
Me, But me, none we can say, but me at
Atna ha ya ne yehu also sure.
First time in him, but I've had confirmations. Sorry, Auntie, so be a name. If you are meeting, but I'm a studio.
Ombe hu wo ho.
I'm a bomb man.
Okay.
Me hear me interview.
Okay.
See Abrochi, your friend catcher me Debra several times. But I say, I started here, I mean, but it happened to Peter in the Bible. And when he came out of, an angel came out of the prison and kept standing at the door. When they went to check, they said it is the angel of Peter, not Peter himself.
Okay.
OT. So it's possible. So I don't know the angel that he's talking about, whether he himself is an angel.
And he himself, he's an angel. He can even travel to God, have a seat with God and discuss issues.
I can't prove it. Was he giving birth to? Has he got parents? If he has parents, then no angel has parents on earth. It's not unscriptural. So on that basis, you're out of the Bible. I've never seen it. Even Jesus Christ was born of a Virgin Mary. You understand that? But or see or your angel, Padia, he shouldn't have parents. So is it an act? Is it something that he's trying to depict something? Say or Bwana say or your angel ankasa.
Oh, so no, they will say according to no nensema all the time or the Bible until who say or your angel to me konya kopon. Otimi ko heaven ni Nyankopon kokokasa. Debi.
Yeah, the point of talking and so yare. O say na koma ye ne ya.
Apostle. Asebe no akobo say. Other
hospital angel almost. I don't know. Angel go be vanish.
Sure.
Yet to court can never vanish. I don't know.
They say be what time I'll be banny, but said there what meet high no workers and so bitiminya was so other place. Maybe at that time, no.
And me can. So no dear. I'll see on no angel. No. Well, me
okay. On one moon angel and comfort the neck.
Obey way. Physically, any diet. Omono ka say wasum die. Me dear, any die so tilo me kra me dim
ba ne aba be ka che o say na akoso okay
na me tell aba severally kra and sometimes some back rap omo nye one o omo hu mi sa bebre na o say mi ba say sometimes me ba military
okay
go for 5 10 omo nyina 7 no more ba
okay apostle I was enche de enkomo no ebeba eye na wieye na me pese mi hu eye ade bi se wakwa ye sofo se wa ye nyamedwuma no ye mfa se 25 years obi aye nyamedwuma no 35 years 45 years obi so afia no wo bem wonso ye obi wo hono ma ye ka se Paul amantem so o chen na dikanfo obi wo hono ma Wobenya midwumanim no enche ye enso nyoma a woye no bro wo mo a wo ma ye den wo ma wo mu dada no enu nti no betimi aka se nipa we oso chen we e wo nya midwumanim okay
Sadia no mo kano God acknowledges long service.
Okay.
Bible says that he worked with Enoch for 300 years. After 300 years Enoch vanished here. And then 2 years with
300 years
vanished. So God has a certain reward for long service.
Okay.
But obi wa it be a miracle no or can ma obi ati.
Okay.
But most of the time, when we are general, ministry, we are fathers.
Sure.
Or more authority.
Okay.
The other in the because he's not glorifying himself; he's glorifying Jesus.
Okay.
It's the self, what cool self, Now the bageno kuno, until his focus is not the human being. His focus is on Jesus.
On Christ.
Who wants to sacrifice? And see, what are we man of God now? At two time, we are attack of what show. More multi quiet, authority of Mokran and Yeezy. Amusa until the other if you know media.
Okay.
The most of the greatest men of God I know in the media space. Elijah said that he's the only one who has not bowed to the feet of Baal. God told him there are many more prophets who have not bowed to the feet of Baal.
Okay.
Probably even greater than Elijah.
Sure.
Or John and Nunkete. I'm telling you. And then there are no authority, no grace.
Authority, no.
The whole man of God were very quiet. Only sons are very, very heavy. What I said.
Sure.
Or more money, you're more.
Okay.
And then you say, oh, my back, Paul Ambante. And let me tell you something in ministry. Sometimes, we have 5 years ministry, you can say, well, like, we do 10 years, and then through Arabic, if you're able to stand again.
And nature say, when you know more.
On one fast, I was Musa, I am mature, I had some of those people, you have to go to them. Watch this.
Okay.
Paul Ambante, is it Bible? Is in the Bible? Or Bible? And I need Pakasa.
You talk in your proverb like you used to say, like, what buy
you Bible? Sarah, treat your Bible.
So, buy like a new mouth, okay.
Paul Bar ministry, or Peter. Okay. Any Barnabas, and I'm a bomb bar, and I'm see separate me, Paul and Barnabas, for the work I have for them. And I'm a bar.
Sure.
And to Paul, the two no, Peter, the reason. You can't break spirit.
So they were free. How their rapport, say, so you two know.
Say, my common idea.
Sure.
Oh, yeah, two no. But Peter raised him.
Okay. Jo apostle ye de yenkomodidie no eba eye na wie ya enesa enti upon the elkoso say asofo wo mo nkomhya wo mo hye ene nyoma koso wo honhom efemu ene djuma ye die ne eye ensorema so nyoma wesi ye hu ni nyina no wo final words efutu oben na wo de bema ni yen a na etiefo ne ahwefo wo mo ehwo na wo mo hunu sem ebi asofo we wo kama asem a wo hawa mary atedi afa ho ana asofo wo yonko asofo mo hunu hawa on be go about yes certain things fa ni nyina ebom fama
before said check come am sem pa home make sure professor Beckham sofo be pa one sem won say 31st obey professor one Freddie
sure
I think say me I don't know but me say a certain maturity kaka
okay
because of Freddie Emma assemble
by no credit
if be asale for no he's in the limelight but who say or she come open sir
sure
I mean the media didn't capture it I think the media didn't capture okay and also share and free down from home
okay
so you don't mention names by heart and go give it I mean you can't do that to the man and bring fear some people have been accused say Ocean come out now, we would not want us to work on. Yeah, sure. No, so powerful. It's a very demonic. And we have to look at it.
Okay.
And the pastors know Isaiah in going to tell Ezekiel one canon in the open or canon in the secret. Look at it very carefully. Number 2, we should still respect anointing.
Okay.
The Bible said that touch not the anointed and do my prophets no harm. No matter what, if the person has grace, respect him.
Okay.
But it's not the person is not from God, run away from him.
Okay.
That's my humble advice.
Apostle, God bless you. I was here for Apostle Walter Sakwa Manthe Other Faith Army Chapel International ene ye ba ye na bubua ano ene no ebetwetwe ye nkomofa enyoma etwa omayi mu ahia de ekoso ewo ye mayi mu social media ni bibia eso no ene ye bone bede ayede ebre wo no okay bibi na ekire wadwen na won hyeda entiase a o comment section no ehwo ena wo so wa konya so so de wabusade ana de wantiase ne etu eye edwa said ye be ya mrepa no ye se hie mu biemu a ye de wabusade na to nani na watimi eyi ano ede amam subscribe to your channel no se wonye ye mia adoma no so no hu ya o because when mia so a ye upload video we nya notification na we hu de ekoso ntimi aso na nya notification ewo laptop or phone and answer or tablet so na wo betimi so follow yen ewo all the social media platforms say Facebook, Instagram baby follow yen ewo no near Instagram page and your Twitter page @TooMuchGH_ and a Facebook and so too much GH channel so ewo hosa efa emayen aha ena ebre ebema mekwan ama medi dwumadi no esie me amedi dwumadi ho cha me midi ede akua sikapa desene ye besane hia makram